Welcome back to Legendary Machine, where we talk about vehicles that push the limits of design, performance, and everyday usability. Today we're diving into the 2027 Toyota Grand Highlander, a three-row SUV that continues Toyota's focus on bold styling, efficient power, and family-ready versatility, while clearly aiming to feel more premium and more confident than ever before. Right away, the exterior of the 2027 Grand Highlander makes a strong statement. Toyota has leaned into a more muscular and upright look, giving this SUV a commanding road presence without making it feel bulky. The front fascia looks sharper and more modern, with a wide grille that flows naturally into slim, aggressive headlights. The lighting signature feels refined, especially at night, giving the Grand Highlander a premium identity that stands apart from smaller crossovers. Along the sides, the body lines are clean and purposeful, adding a sense of motion even when the vehicle is standing still. The longer wheelbase is noticeable, but it's handled well, creating a balanced profile rather than an oversized one. Subtle chrome or dark trim accents, depending on the trim, help emphasize the upscale direction Toyota is taking here. Around the back, the design stays clean and confident, with sleek taillights and a sculpted tailgate that reinforces the SUV's width and stability. Overall, the 2027 Grand Highlander looks like a vehicle designed for families who want practicality without sacrificing style. When it comes to performance, the 2027 Toyota Grand Highlander continues to build on Toyota's reputation for smooth, dependable driving. The focus here isn't on being a sports SUV, but rather on delivering confident power, refined acceleration, and excellent efficiency for its size. Whether you're merging onto the highway or cruising through city traffic, the Grand Highlander feels composed and responsive. Acceleration is smooth and predictable, making it easy to drive even for those who aren't SUV enthusiasts. Toyota's engineering shines in the way the powertrain delivers torque without feeling strained, even when the vehicle is loaded with passengers or cargo. Ride quality is one of the standout elements, as the suspension is tuned to absorb bumps and uneven roads while still maintaining stability at higher speeds. Steering feels light but accurate, making this large SUV surprisingly easy to maneuver in tight spaces. For those who deal with changing road conditions, available all-wheel drive adds an extra layer of confidence, especially during rain or winter driving. Overall, the Grand Highlander prioritizes comfort, control, and efficiency, which is exactly what most buyers in this segment are looking for. Inside the 2027 Grand Highlander, Toyota keeps things straightforward but refined. The interior is clearly designed with families in mind, offering plenty of space across all three rows. Materials feel durable yet comfortable, with soft touch surfaces in key areas and a layout that feels intuitive rather than overwhelming. The dashboard design is clean, with a modern infotainment display that's easy to read and quick to respond. Controls are thoughtfully placed, allowing the driver to focus on the road instead of hunting for buttons. Seating comfort is a strong point, especially for long drives, and passengers in the second and third rows benefit from improved legroom and headroom compared to traditional midsize SUVs. Storage options are plentiful, from large door pockets to a spacious cargo area that easily adapts to daily errands or road trips. While the interior doesn't try to be flashy, it succeeds by being practical, comfortable, and user-friendly. The 2027 Toyota Grand Highlander feels like a natural evolution of Toyota's SUV lineup, blending bold exterior styling, smooth and reliable performance, and a thoughtfully designed interior into one well-rounded package. It's built for real life, whether that means family road trips, daily commuting, or simply enjoying a confident and comfortable drive. If you're looking for a three-row SUV that balances modern design with Toyota's trusted engineering, the Grand Highlander is clearly one to watch. This has been Legendary Machine, and if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Legendary Machines coming your way.